Hi guys, this is my Trendmood box unboxing. Let's find out what goodies are in the Trendmood box. I've never been able to get one before. They're always sold out when I get there. I'm so excited I was able to get this one. Oh my goodness, so many good things. Let's get this wrapping off of here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got the Strivectin. This is Super B Barrier Strengthening Oil with vitamin B3 and prebiotics. Balance, nourish, and calm. Wow, okay. Let's see kind of what it does. It says, nourish dry, dull skin, helps to prevent moisture loss, calms dry skin, and reduces the appearance of redness for even-toned skin. So that's awesome. I thought that this was a serum, but it's an oil. I guess it could be considered a serum. It's brand new from Strivectin. I do know that. That's awesome. Okay, up next is the Sweet Apple Clean from Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I'm so excited about this. I've heard such great things about it. Okay, and we have paraben-free, formaldehyde donor free. I never knew that was a problem. Synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, cruelty free. I don't see any ingredients that will be a problem for me. Yeah, I don't see anything that'll be a problem for me. And that's all of my stuff for palettes and my declutter video. Sorry, guys. And the cat's screaming as well. That's exciting because I believe that this item is like a $50 item. I know that this is a $50-something item, and I only paid $40 for the box. This is the e.l.f. Mascara Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Mascara. So exciting. This is from Boscia Plant Stem Cell and Ceramide Barrier Defense Moisturizer. A cutting-edge plant stem cell powered moisturizer comprised of natural and sustainably sourced fruit and plant stem cells. Contains a high concentration of fortified antioxidants that help restore the structure of skin to rejuvenate and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Nourishing ceramides, alpha lipoic and fatty acids reinforce and strengthen the skin's lipid barrier to prevent moisture loss. This seems very cool. Can't wait to try that. That's 4 products. Now we have the Sigma Illustrious Lip Hydration Renew Lip Oil, enriched with jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, and vitamin C. Wow. Let's get to the color of this. I got the nude. Yes! I got the nude shade and I'm so excited. Let's see what it looks like on my hand. I'm gonna put it, just a little bit of it. On my hand. So it's really sparse. And it's just real faint. But Sigma makes some of the most amazing products, so I'm really excited about that. And our last product is e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer. I want to smell this and see, because I usually don't have any problems with acne. I'm so excited though. That was a really great box. One of these days I'm going to get one of their makeup boxes. I really love that. So, this is the Trendmood box unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment for engagement. Don't forget to be amazeballs. I love you. Thank you. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.